Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Diyanet Center of America Storytime.
I'm Serra.
And I'm Selin, and today we will be reading The Snowy Day by Ezra Jack Keats. Now, I'm super excited for this book because I love snow.
Me too.
I was born in the winter, and so was Serra, and so it's one of our favorite seasons, and I remember waking up on my birthday and seeing piles and piles of snow outside of my window, so much that we couldn't even get out of the door. Now, let's see what this book is about. One winter morning, Peter woke up and looked out the window. Snow had fallen during the night. It covered everything as far as he could see. After breakfast, he put on his snowsuit and ran outside. The snow piled up very high along the street to make a path for walking. Crunch, crunch, crunch. His feet sank into the snow. He walked with his toes pointing out like this, and he walked with his toes pointing in like that. Then he dragged his feet slowly to make tracks. And he found something sticking out of the snow that made a new track.
I wonder what that is.
Let's see. It was a stick. A stick that was just right for smacking a snow-covered tree. Down fell the snow, plop, onto Peter's head. He thought it would be fun to join the big boys in their snowball fight, but he knew he wasn't old enough. Not yet. So he made a smiling snowman, and he made snow angels. He pretended he was a mountain climber. He climbed up a great, big, tall, heaping mountain of snow, and slid all the way down.
Woohoo!
He picked up a handful of snow, and another, and still another. He packed it round and firm and put the snowball in his pocket for tomorrow. Then he went into his warm house. He told his mother all about his adventures while she took off his wet socks. He thought and thought and thought about them. Nothing happened. Before he got to bed, he looked in his pocket. His pocket was empty. The snowball wasn't there.
I wonder where it went.
He felt very sad. Snow melts in heat, so it must be gone. While he slept, he dreamed that the sun had melted all the snow away. But when he woke up, his dream was gone. The snow was still everywhere. New snow was falling.
Yay.
After breakfast, he called his friend from across the hall, and they went out together into the deep, deep snow. The end.
That was a great book.
Yeah.
Now that we read The Snowy Day, we are going to make snowflakes of our own.
We can create our own snowy day.
Yep. Now, first, you need construction paper and scissors. That's all. Now let's get started. First, you're going to want to make this a square. So, you have to try and fold. If you have a rectangle, you have to do this. If you already have a square piece of paper, you don't have to do this. After you've done this, you have to take scissors and cut off the bottom. Make sure you have parent supervision while doing this. We don't want you to get hurt. Now we have a square. Now that we already have it as triangle, we have to make it a triangle again. Making it a smaller triangle. And then, now we're going to do something different. Now the triangle, but we're going to have to fold this down the middle. Can you see it? Like that. Then this other part, we're going to wrap it around like a hug. Flip it over. And do you see these two little ear type things right here? Well, we're gonna cut those off.
Now it sort of looks like an ice cream cone.
Yeah. Now you can do what you want here. You can do a triangle or a circle or even a square. You can even cut off the little tip. You can cut this part off and make a little triangle right here. You can do whatever you want. Then, after you're done cutting, you can unfold it and see what you've created. Doesn't that look pretty? You can share the picture of your snowflake on your Instagram account, but be sure to tag Diyanet Center of America, please. Thank you. Goodbye. Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum.